So you've got the cutest pet, and you've got the amazing ZV-1. Now let me introduce you to PAWGRAPHY and share with you how you can take awesome videos of your adorable pet with the Sony ZV-1. Alright, so first of all, you want to pair your ZV-1 with the SG R1 grip for added stability, and it has controls such as zoom, start and stop recording, easy angle adjustments, and it can also act as a mini tripod, like this. So yes, the added stability from the grip is especially useful when shooting low-angle moving shots of your pet. Also, the grip allows for easy one-handed operation, which is very useful when your hands are pretty tight, like holding on to a leash. Next tip would be to use Active Steadyshot. So by default, your camera already has Active Steadyshot set, and this will allow you to have really stable shots even as you run around with your pet. No need to go into complicated settings to do this. Sweet. Okay, so the next tip would be to shoot at the eye level. If you're shooting subjects like dogs, chances are they're going to be a lot shorter than you are, and you have to go low and shoot at their eye level. In this way, you can create a more immersive scene because the audience perspective will be at their eye level and it's just going to see things through their perspective and just makes it for a more interesting shot. My next tip for you would be to go closer to your pet for more bokeh or blurry background. So to achieve and maximize this effect on the ZV-1, first of all, we have to shoot at the widest aperture possible, and secondly, it would be to go closer to your subject. Okay, so first of all, I want to zoom all the way out to 24mm to give us the largest aperture available on the camera. So the next thing to do is to go close to your subject, and immediately you can see that there's a bit more background blur, there's a bit more bokeh, and that is beautiful. And so the key is to go close and you will have your bokeh. And on top of that, you can press the C1 button on the ZV-1 to quickly activate between having a blurry background or a clear background, which is really convenient and useful. You don't have to go into the menus and tweak the settings to get the blurry background or wide aperture or do some fiddling with the camera. It is really quick, and it also frees up one of your hands, which you can use to do other things, because all you need to do is have one finger to press the button. In addition, you have the amazing autofocus and real-time tracking of the ZV-1, which will help you achieve lightning fast focus when switching between focal lengths, and really you never have to worry about your subject being out of focus. So on the camera, I would set my focus mode to be on autofocus continuous or AFC, and the focus area to be either wide or zone mode, and I'm all set. Alright, so that's it. Go ahead and have fun capturing those awesome PAWGRAPHY moments and share with your friends and family. It's really easy to shoot and share your clips thanks to the built-in Wi-Fi of the ZV-1 and Sony's Imaging Edge mobile app. Thank you so much. Take care. Peace. Bye.